Calvin, I have a question for you.
Okay.
On a scale of 1 to 10, what number would you give our marriage?
Good question. I think we have a pretty good marriage, so I would give it, I think, a good solid 8.5.
Okay.
So right back at you, sweetheart. What number would you give our marriage?
I'd probably give it a 3.
A 3? That's charming.
Just kidding.
Well, hang on a minute here. Hang on. So what if we did rate our marriage at a lower number? Is there anything at SCC that might provide support for a marriage that rated themselves low?
Actually, yes. At SCC, we believe that strong and healthy marriages are not only just a part of kingdom life, but a strong foundation for the church. And we actually have 5 couples that are passionate, that are committed to helping other couples in nurturing their relationships.
Nice. So the Marriage Partners Ministry is just about encouraging couples in their marriage journey. So whether you rate your marriage a 3, a 5, a 9.75, the Marriage Partners Ministry is there to support people, to support marriages. So sign up and get to know one of these couples to help nurture your relationship. A 3. I can't believe you said a 3. What sort of gift do you need?
Well, you haven't upgraded my diamond, and it's been 15 years already.
Love you.
Love you too.